Did you know certain essential oils can help your body relax and your mind refocus? This roll-on blends 3 of my favorite oils to do just that. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. This month's soft strength roll-on recipe is one of my favorites from our January recipe box. It's perfect for those days when your body feels sore, your schedule is packed, or your mind just needs a quiet moment. I love this blend because it supports both mind and body naturally. There's no synthetic fragrances, just pure essential oils that help you reset wherever you are. Here's what you'll need. 2 drops Marjoram Essential Oil for its calming herbal aroma that helps reduce muscle tension. 2 drops Cypress Essential Oil, grounding and fresh. It brings focus and mental clarity. 1 drop Blood Orange Essential Oil, bright and uplifting. It gives the blend a fresh, happy note. Let's make it together. Add the essential oils directly into your roll-on bottle. Then fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. Once it's filled, cap it, give it a gentle shake, and label it so you know exactly what's inside. That's it. Quick, easy, and 100% natural. Let's try it out. I really love the grounding of the cypress and the herb of the marjoram. The bright citrus of the blood orange is just really fresh, and then it's just really settling at the same time. So it's really uplifting and really calming. It feels really smooth. There's no greasy feel. I really like this roll-on. If you want to make this too, it's in the January Simply Earth recipe box. You can also find the ingredients at simplyearth.com. You get all the oils you need, the roll-on bottle, plus more recipes to create your own natural body care products. If you're new, you'll also get our big bonus box with reusable supplies to help you get started. Take a moment for yourself today, even if it's just one breath and a roll-on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next DIY.